Welcome to your 10-minute full-body home workout.
Looking for a fast, effective workout you can do at home? This plan is designed for beginners and requires no equipment. In just 10 minutes, you'll target your entire body, improve your fitness, and build healthy exercise habits. Follow along to feel energized and stronger every day.
Warm up. Get your body ready.
Begin with a quick 2-minute warm-up to prepare your muscles and prevent injury. Try marching or jogging in place, arm circles, and gentle side lunges. This boosts your heart rate and gets your joints moving, setting you up for a safe and effective workout session.
Exercise 1. Squats for strong legs.
Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. Bend your knees and lower your body as if sitting in a chair. Rise back up and repeat for 1 minute. Squats work your thighs, hips, and glutes, helping build lower body strength and stability. No weights needed.
Exercise 2. Push-ups for chest and arms.
Start in a plank position with your hands under your shoulders. Lower your body toward the floor, then push back up. If needed, drop your knees for an easier version. Perform for 1 minute. Push-ups strengthen your chest, shoulders, and triceps, giving your upper body a solid workout.
Exercise 3. Planks for your core.
Rest on your forearms and toes, keeping your body in a straight line. Hold this position for 30 to 45 seconds, focusing on tightening your core muscles. Planks are excellent for building abdominal and back strength and improving posture.
Cool down, stretch and recover.
Finish your workout with 2 minutes of gentle stretching. Reach for your toes, stretch your arms overhead, and rotate your torso slowly. Cooling down helps your muscles recover and relaxes your body after exercising. Don't skip this step.
Tips for success and staying consistent.
Aim to follow this 10-minute routine 3 to 4 times a week. As you gain confidence, increase the duration or add more exercises. Listen to your body, rest when needed, and celebrate your progress. Stay patient and enjoy the journey to a healthier, stronger you.